In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach Google Drive link to Gmail. So first I open Gmail, then I need to click on Compose, then select your Gmail address, which one you want to send. So I select this one, the subject, just click on hi, etc. You can write anything here. So how to add, right? So now first I'm going on Google Drive, then select my file. Second purpose, I select a file this called like this one. So I need to click on this giving access. Now you can see this is the restricted mode. So now if I want to send this one, then this person cannot change anything. So if I click on restricted, then you can see anyone with the link, then now this person can edit anything. So here is the viewer option, just click on editor. So now copy this link, then click on done, and again go back to Gmail. Then here are just you can import via this one, otherwise you can just paste your link on here. That's it. Otherwise you can attach on here, don't worry. You can add on here like so, maybe this file. Now you can add as link, don't worry. So this is the method how you can attach Google Drive link to Gmail. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.